Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your reading for the monthlies, that is your August 2020. Alright, so let's start your reading now. And for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Let's see what my Scorpions have. So before I was pre-shuffling, I saw the Star, 10 of Cups and 5 of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that there is a lot of healing going on in your life right now. Might be in regards with your, just a second. Alright, so might be regarding with, like, you are away from your family. There might be some kind of loss financially. I'm seeing that there is something which you are going through, and that is why a lot of healing is there. Might be for some people you have lost some kind of inherited money which you were supposed to, you were supposed to get that money, and somehow you lost it. Okay, financial losses is a big thing, is a big problem, right? Let's see now what else we have. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Alright, so yeah, with the Queen of Pentacles, something related to money. Something happened. With the 10 of Swords. Queen of Pentacles with the 10 of Swords, something, a loss of money, huge money I'm seeing. Might be a thief. Okay, so a thief might have took away a lot of money of yours, or there might be something else. We'll clarify everything, what actually is happening. Alright, so at the back of the deck, it's the Temperance. You are healing. You are in a mode where you really have to find the answers now. So whatever this is, it's not only about that issue which I was saying. It was one of the reasons. It can be one of all these problems, all the issues you are going through. Alright, so I'm seeing that there is someone over here who is in a deep healing mode, and you are actually, you're balancing. There are some questions in your mind, and you are balancing those questions. You are balancing your mind and your heart with what is right and what is wrong. You are in a mode where you want to be independent. You want to do stuff, but is it right? Like, at this point of time, is it right? Okay, so at in the past energies, you have Queen of Pentacles, 10 of Swords and 7 of Swords. There was someone who came into your life and they left you. And I'm seeing that you were not prepared for this ending. You were not prepared because you were into a zone where you were feeling very you were feeling very determined. You were feeling very stable with this person. You were thinking of to buy a house with this person. There were so many things you actually planned for. Look at this lady over here, Queen of Pentacles. She has money, she has fruits. Basically, she was preparing a home. Okay, so but this person ended something. In your present energies, you have 2 of Rods, 9 of Pentacles and Queen of Rods. So for some people, there might be a third party situation over here, because with the Queen of Rods, she doesn't look good to me. She is the mistress lady of the deck. Alright, so you are single. You are actually thinking, there are questions coming up in your mind that where have I done wrong? What did I do? I was planning for a home, I was planning for the marriage, I was planning for a stable relationship. But what did I do? You are still asking, you are still thinking upon this. Your future energies are Knight of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and Queen of Cups. I'm seeing that there is more to come. The healing period that with the Star card which just came in your pre-shuffle, I'm seeing that in your future energies also you are still asking the same question. You are still in that energy. I'm not seeing you taking any action in your future as well, because this hit you really hard. It's really impossible, almost impossible. It's really difficult for you to accept this situation, accept the person, whatever or whosoever did this to you. In whichever situation you are, it's really difficult for you to handle that situation. Let's clarify your cards now. Let's see what the Temperance have in your overall energy, please. Temperance overall energy. Okay, Three of Cups and Three of Wands. Third party situation over here I'm seeing again. Let me see. I'm seeing that, you know, you are able to see this person, whatever this person or whichever situation you are dealing with. You are able to see your inner self is talking to you with the Temperance card and Three of Rods and Three of Cups. I'm seeing that your inner self is talking to you, and it is trying to tell you that this person or the situation, it's long gone now. There is something, might be your friends as well, they are actually being a good help for you right now, but you are actually standing over there and you are seeing this person having a happy time. See how this person is looking towards these three ladies over here. So it's like it's you who knows, but still you are waiting for some kind of a, you know, some kind of a hint or some kind of a call from your friend. Might be your friends are telling you that this person is enjoying his life, or are you not enjoying your life? So something like that. You know deep inside that this person is no more there. He or she is having a good time with his friends or other girlfriends, right? This is something, but still you are waiting. You have that, I don't know what is this known as, but you have that emotional, you have that some urge where you actually are waiting to for that question, for that thing. Okay, let's see. What is this Queen of Pentacles in your past energies, please? Queen of Pentacles. What is this telling us, Queen of Pentacles? Please, can you let me know what is this Queen of Pentacles in the past energies, please? Queen of Pentacles. What is this Queen of Pentacles? Queen of Swords, yeah. So I'm seeing that there was one person who is very determined to you know, in that zone where I'm ready to be happy, I'm ready to buy a new house with you, I'm ready to move in with you. And the other person was more of like, no, always no. There's some kind of a thing which is, you know, you always knew this thing. I'm seeing that you always knew that this person, why is this person always saying no? I really like this person, he knows, she knows, but why no? There's love. You always thought that there is love, there is something between you two, but still, why no always? Let's clarify. What is this Queen of Swords, please? What is this Queen of Swords telling us in the past energies? Can you please explain what is this Queen of Swords? So we have a card. Two of Cups. Yes. there was a bonding. You always thought that this person is your soulmate, but from their side it was no, I don't think so. He or she was always like, I really feel that they haven't even expressed their feelings for you. Let's clarify it more. Strength card. You know, I'm seeing that this person has never even expressed anything. You know, it was always your inner self which was talking that, okay, so I will have happy family with this person, I love this person, and blah blah blah. But this person didn't say anything to you. This person never, might have done some kind of false promises, but not not more than that. I'm seeing they were into some another world. They were thinking about something else always. They were never into this relationship. Let's see what is this 10 of Swords in the past energies. Ten of Swords, please. What else do we have? Yeah. With the Ten of Swords, we have 6 of Pentacles and 4 of Cups. I'm seeing that you were always the one who was giving, and this person was always rejecting. And at the end, what happened? This person just ended this. You were like, you were so generous, you were so loyal, everything was there from your side. You always give, and this person was always like, no, I don't want this, why are you doing this? I mean, you know, there was some kind of a very arrogant energy from their side. I'm seeing that they were always like, I never asked you to do anything, and you were like crying when this person was leaving you, and you were saying that I did so much for you, and what did you do? So he was saying that, well, I didn't ask you to do anything, did I? So this is something like that. Seven of Swords. Let's see what else we have for Seven of Swords in the past energy. Yeah, there was this heartache. This person left you without even telling you. You know, they just skipped. They just told you, I'm going to so and so place, and they never returned. I'm seeing no communication. I'm seeing over here. Okay, so let's see what is this Two of Swords in your present energy. Page of Pentacles with the Knight of Cups. Alright, so are you really waiting for this person to come and talk to you the way that Smooth talks? Because this person is a Knight of Cups. This person is a Casanova. This person is someone who is, you know, just calm, and this is a sorry card as well with the Page of Pentacles over here. Because I think you are waiting that if this person will come and say sorry to me and will start talking to me nicely, then I'll just say, okay, fine, no problem, I'm there for you, I'm always there for you. Are you still waiting for this thing to happen? For a sorry, for just an apology? Because that apology is not going to be something, you know, for a long term something, basically, because that person is a Knight of Cups at the end. Just come, he or she will just come, say sorry, and then what? Then again he or she will go without even telling you. Let's see what is this Nine of Pentacles. Five of Swords. What else do we have? Too many. What else do we have? Five of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. The Devil. Alright. I'm seeing that this person is in different stage over here. You know, this person is not even thinking about you. He is in that mode of, you know, let me do whatever I want to do. He's feeling independent. He is happy, he or she, whosoever this is, because this person is with people, and these people are not really good. You know, they are actually many manipulating, because Queen of Rods is also, she's also very manipulating queen. She knows what to do, when to say something, and how to attract the other person towards themselves. So they are in that zone where they are not even thinking about you. I'm sorry to say, but yes, they are not. They are that with the Devil and Five of Swords, bad energies. You know, basically surrounded by those people which he or she calls friends, but they're actually not friends. They are more of the bad manipulators in his or her life. They are telling them that, okay, let's have a drink, please have a drink with me, see, there are so many girls over here around you, why are you just sticking for this particular person? So there is some kind of manipulation in their side. I'm seeing that with the Queen of Rods as well. She is not looking good. What else do we have for this Queen of Rods over here? Let's see. Okay, Seven of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords. See, this person has just manipulated this person, and this person is not able to see, and you at the other end, you are waiting for this person who is not even able to see you, because all his ears and eyes, they are all closed. This person is actually in a cage, we can say they are trapped by this person or the people around this person, because the energies around this person are not good. Let's see what is the Knight of Pentacles in your future energies. I have so many cards. Okay, let's see. Let's have a drink. Alright, let's see. What is this Knight of Pentacles, please? Temperance and Three of Pentacles. Yeah. You're waiting for this person to come in your life and to fix the problems which you both have. You want that this person should balance out. You know, he or she should just take out, choose a path as fast as they can, because you are waiting for that path to be chosen. But I'm telling you that it's not just 1 or 2 days task. It will take time, because this person is surrounded by many people, many bad people. So to know that, to learn those mistakes, basically, whichever this person did, will take a lot of time, because a lot of healing needs to be done from their part as well, because they are just surrounded by negative energies. And you, on the other side, you are seeking balance. There is some kind of how to say this, some kind of a healing is there in your part. I'm seeing this, and you are in a mode where, you know, you are in a better mode than this person. Let's see this Queen of Cups. Alright. King of Pentacles and Nine of Cups. Alright. So I'm seeing that there is something new coming your way. I don't know why this energy hit me, but yes, because you were the Queen of Pentacles over here in your first card of yours, and this might be the last card, I would say. So King of Pentacles arrived over here. So I'm seeing that there is some kind of a wish which is coming true. Might be Capricorn, because both Capricorn or Taurus, because there is something more stable which you actually need, because this thing is gonna take a lot of time. I'm telling you, Scorpios, do not wait for this bad energy. There is something more deep, more determined person is coming your way. I'm seeing that. Let's see what are the messages from the universe now. Let's see what do we have as messages for Scorpio. Please, what advice would you like to give to my Scorpios? What advice do we have? Let's see. Last shuffle. Ace of Rods, new beginnings coming your way. 3 of Pentacles and 3 of Cups. Alright, so what is the universe trying to tell you is that if you are waiting for this thing to happen over here, if you are wanting that thing, so stop thinking about those things. Go and have some fun with your friends. Have some talks with your friends. Try to do something which makes you happy. Involve yourself in your work. Invest all your energies. If you want, invest them in your work. If you are doing a work from home, just keep doing it and give your 100%. Go and have some fun with your friends, with your family. Have some drinks. Be a child, you know. With this Ace of Rods, she's so beautiful over here. She's telling you, just go and be the child, okay? Just live a life which you always wanted. Great things are coming your way. It will take time, but they're coming your way. Alright, so that's all from my side, my Scorpios. I hope you like the reading, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.